that I came to tell you a little anecdote how happened 14 years ago when I lived in Veracruz as it was a cloudy day. The air was blowing, the atmosphere was cool. I left the house and started playing in the courtyard where there was a big old tree where his last leaves were falling in a sudden moment. A strong air blew that shook me after a while. I felt tired and went to the house. The days went by but I felt were more weeks decade without waiting to do anything. My countenance was sad, he said. My mother did not even want to watch television. You were only in bed with the doctors, but they did not know that she had run out of ideas until a friend of my mother, as a last resort, told her, "Why you do not take him to see a healer?" We went there in another municipality. I remember that this was a house the Lord attended us and began to see what he had and said, "This child interested witchcraft that was now for him, and the intention is to give slow that we while browser to take it over was a child. I didn't quite understand everything that was said. I was scared and surprised and started to make a campfire and started to bring a couple of jars and whirled and took a sip and began to suction into my arms like when you have a snake bite and they want to take out the potion. What I returned was a black liquid made into the fire, and it seemed that it came alive. The coals became grey and the elder at the end sat down and started talking, but with another person that in this case I could not see and change everything was very strange in voice. But at the end of my first visit, my mom told me to start playing and have energy. This is the end of my story.